Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Diana V. I graduated from Diponegoro University, Architecture. Now I'm studying master at SGPP School of Government Public Policy. Now I'm here to present my research and paper. It's about book and discussion hybrid space for creative city. Okay. Because of pandemic COVID-19 happened, many reading community base camp are closed because it's very danger for visitor to come. Some community base camp actually is very narrow, so it's difficult to make this physical distancing. So for future city planning, we will find out what the requirement and specification that needed for prototype model of ideal reading and discussion space. Because we know creative place and space rise creative vibe. It's good for creative people and citizens that useful for building great city and country. In my literature review, I'm studying about creative hybrid space. Hybrid space contains online virtual and offline physical space, outdoor in indoor space. I also studied that there are many alternative libraries. There are basic library, backpack library, city library, boat library, park library, and Bero library or Songkro library. And also studied about literary festival. There are many talk show and discussion, book exhibition, sales performance, and competition, and many activities that are useful for creative vibe for creative people. Then this is the literature review. We get some alternative libraries that may be used for this situation on pandemic. We should use outdoor in indoor together, and also we use online in offline meeting. I use some methods here: literature review, study cases, getting insight from experts, women librarians, and I also interview some users of library and also visitors of literary festivals. I also use phenomenology approach from my experience and interpretation. I come to each Taman Baca Masyarakat or People Reading Park and Room for personal libraries and for community libraries. I also studied with phenomenology on some festivals literary. It Ubud Literary Festival, ASEAN Literary Festival, International Literary Festival, Baca Merah Literary Festival, Kota Lama Festival, Makassar International Writer Festival, Banggai Literary Festival, and also online or virtual festival etalase pemikiran perempuan. So I actually use qualitative method, study method. And these are findings. We need digital book resource and access on this situation because physics book danger for people can spread the virus, so it need some treatment like We use hand washing corner and also some treatment on COVID-19 protocol. And I find that maximum 10 to 20 people on open space for discussion. We can use webinar and online discussion. Podcast and live Instagram is also become hits in this situation. Classroom must have circulation air. We should have filmation for books. Book lesson should be arranged every week. We can put library in public facilities. Alun-alun also as attractive literary center. The library and the book discussion space should contain attractive contents and activities. And we get some delivery service library for alternative backpacking, bicycle, boat, and also Songkro library could be alternative. Next, findings from some literary festival that we studied. There are booklets, name of speakers with their topics, mass promotion via social media. There are voluntary programs that attract some participation and also spread the mass promotion for the festivals. Layout of festival is also can raise the creative vibe, the form, the colors, the structure, the illustration, the properties, creative and artificial environment, art gallery, outdoor stage, forest event, talk show, mini talk show discussion, movies playing, art and craft market, writing workshop, various creative composition, and children story corner are also some activities and designs that we need to create vibe for visitors. And these are conclusion of this study for ideal books and discussion hybrid space. We can combine between physical space and digital room, and also we need closed space, semi-open, and open space. For physical room, we need e-catalog and quick meetup for preventing virus spread. We can use street library, mobile libraries, and also branch libraries on rural areas. Management by community for bonding the readers, the community, and also the visitors. That my study about book and discussion hybrid space for creative city. These are the reference. Thank you very much.